All right, good morning, everyone. This is Louis Porcelino, manovermarket.com, and today is Friday, the 14th of November, and this is your ES morning call. All right, so this big profile you sit in front of you is the profile for the week. The profile for the week. So as you can see, the mode for the week is exactly where we're trading right now, 2035 half. All right, the high is up here. All right. We got the high up here at 43.75, and we've got the low down here at 21. Um, so if you take a look at this and you see all the volume that's below, it's more than what's above, and so it looks like we're building more. Here's the mode. So the most contracts traded there, and then you got all this time underneath the mode. This is the mean, which is 2034, which is the halfway point between the high of value and the low of value. So that's what that looks like for the week. So these gray areas look like they need to be filled in some more. So I think that's why we spent some time here yesterday. So you're talking about 31. Well, let's talk about from like 27 up to 31. Not a big deal, but I'm just pointing this out to you. We go like this, and we can go to our uh, market profile and reset daily splits. And then this will be the overnight action of last night, which we have a mode down here at 2034 half. Yesterday's mode was 2035.75. Let's throw this in here. Um, so it looks like, from that point of view, that the market is going to move higher. Let's We had some news out this morning, and it's hard to tell with these things, but let's go to the charts. All right, so we had some news out this morning. We got this spike up, I believe, on retail sales. Sorry, let me get this out of the way. And then, so let's just see what we got going on above us. All right, so we got the top of value up here at 2040 half. We got R1 at 2042 half. We have resistance at 2043 half. And then this high up here, which is we just talked about, 2043.75. And then anything above that will be 1.5 times the IB range. Here's the Globex high. Sorry, I get these charts out of the way. So we got the Globex high up here at 2039, and we got the low down at 2032. We got our 5 minute pivot in a sell, and it's at 2038. 2038. Um, so we got the mode, all right, from yesterday at 2035.75. We're setting our bull bear zone here, the orange, 2035 half, 2035 half. All right. And I put on um, the low of Globex is here at 20. Not functioning today. 2032 down here, 2032, and then 2031 was yesterday's. Is the bottom of value, and then I believe yesterday's low was like 2027 half. So, um, we're trading. This trade right now is right in the middle of the range. So, we got some more news out at 8 o'clock today, Central. Let me pull those up for you. I think we got Michigan sentiment and Let me just pull them up in case you don't already know them. You probably do, but here we go. We got retail sales was out already. Import exports are out already. James Bullard speaks at 9 a.m. Eastern time. We got consumer sentiment 9:55 Eastern time. We got business inventories 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Eastern time. EI natural gas report and Stanley Fitcher speaks at 4 p.m. No biggie. So, um, we got some news coming out. I, consumer sentiment and business inventories will could have an impact on the market. But the issue is right now we're trading right from the middle, so we need to get some direction before we make a move. Uh, when you like I said, when you look at that profile point of view, I think it still has to fill in down at the 27, 28 area. And it is Friday, and I'm not expecting much. Remember, I am going to be gone by noon today. So up here also was the 2037.75 was the high for the London IB range, and the low right here is 2032.75 right here. Those beige lines. We are trading just below our bull bear zone and the point of control. So, and we always look to see if we could take out the extremes or the Globex highs. We're trading right in the middle of the VWAP for that's this dotted line here. So let's wait to see what happens, what the opening brings us, and so on. The trades from the middle are always the hardest ones to make because it's like flipping a coin, right? We can go up or down from here. As I quote one of my famous clerks, one day he looked at me and said, the market could go either up or down from here. And I looked at him and said, you are the next guy to get a seat. All right? And before I go on my rampage about Nancy Pelosi, I am apolitical. I just go for the guy who's got the best idea. But she is a numbnuts. She is I cannot even believe that this woman denies knowing Gruber. And then they show her the clip where she quoted him to get Obamacare through. Now, this is not a political thing. This is just about stupidity. And I'm so sick and tired of the stupidity that goes on in this country. Just like we're watching this market rally, and you guys know the way I feel. These markets shouldn't trade the way these things trade. But when you take a look at like what's going on with oil, right? 113, it's down in the 70s. You're going to see some consolidation in that industry. Halliburton basically announced yesterday that they're going to be buying Baker Hughes. So, I mean, great oil, $50 a barrel of oil will be great for us, the consumer. But that's not our real problem in this country. The real problem is the fact that people aren't making more money. Working the same job and you're not making enough money. All right. That's my little rant for today. Everybody, talk to you later. Bye.